Mele Kalikimaka, it's the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. Well, today I'm gonna make something Hawaiian that a friend of mine, Lisa, told me about. She said she heard of this unique recipe and she's never seen anybody make it. So she sent it to me and I thought, it's a viewer request, I'm gonna do it. So I'm making this Hawaiian dish, but I'm gonna call it Hawaiian Christmas Casserole. We start by boiling some jasmine rice in coconut milk. Start with that rice. Are you ready for this? 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise goes on top of that. Spread it on. We're gonna cover that with some fresh spinach. Next, you need a can of corned beef, and you're gonna mash it all up with a fork. Just be careful opening the can. Put that on top. Then cover that with some teriyaki sauce. And now I'm just gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. All done. Let's give it a try. I'm very curious about this one. Let's give it a go. It's great. I love corned beef. So that works really well in here. I thought, oh, it's gonna be so mayonnaise tasting. It's not too mayonnaise tasting. I think that coconut milk rice really packs a punch. If you wanna try unusual dishes, you should make them. You can see a lot of them on my channel. Subscribe to my channel to see them, or hit that notification bell to see them all the time. Thank you for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and I'll see ya next time. I couldn't really afford a trip to Hawaii. I'd have to put it on layaway.